Are you tired of using cheap saws around the house that can never get the job done correctly? Well, stay tuned because I got a product for you. Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Alloyman 6-inch mini chainsaw, which includes 2 battery and a 1-year warranty. So let's get this beast of a mini chainsaw unboxed and see what it can do. Okay, once I get the packaging off here, we got a cool little carrying case to carry this thing around, which is nice and handy. Getting the container open right off the bat, we have our user manual. Very thin and easy to read. We have our AC charging brick to charge the 2 lithium-ion batteries. We have some safety gloves here that you will definitely always want to use. Let's try them on. Fits pretty good. I have a medium to large hand and they fit very well. Next up, we actually have an extra chain, which is great, just in case it ever breaks. Next up, we have some safety glasses. Once again, you should always be wearing these as well. And we have our 2 lithium-ion 20-volt batteries. They look great. I'm glad they included 2. So you can have 2 fully charged up just in case you were doing a nice long job. So you have plenty of power. Next up, we have our amazing looking 6-inch mini chainsaw. We have a trigger there below, a little safety feature for you so you can go left and right, whether reverse or clockwise. Nice 6-inch mini chain, and we have our chain tensioner right there, so you can increase the tension and lower it as you wish. You can also replace the chain as well by removing the tensioner. Next up, charging the battery is really easy. Just plug into your AC adapter and wait for the light to turn green. Okay, now we're going to hit the field, so we're going to go ahead and put our gloves on along with our safety goggles, and then attach a battery. Okay, now I'm going to go to the backyard and see what this thing can do. So first off, I'm just going to start with this tree that's been sitting in my yard forever, and now that I have the 6-inch chainsaw, I can cut through it like butter, as you can see. I found that moving it back and forth makes it a little bit easier. Next up, we have this little wooden pole here. Same thing, it cuts through this like butter. I cut this multiple times, no issues. You can see the cut there, nice and smooth, just like a surgeon. You can see I'm doing one last cut here to get the tree off, and this thing works great. So everybody, that was the Alloyman 6-inch mini chainsaw with belt tensioner, lithium-ion battery, 1-year warranty. You actually get 2 batteries included, and a chain, safety goggles, and gloves. So this little thing works very well. You can pick this up, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video, you guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.